Most bettors chase big wins, but the real secret is winning over time. OddsJam helps you do that by showing you value bets, also called positive expected value bets. These bets may not win every time, but over hundreds of plays, the math works in your favor and that's how you grow your bankroll. On top of that, OddsJam's arbitrage tool finds risk-free chances where sports books disagree on the odds. That means you can secure guaranteed profits even if they're small, which adds stability to your results. And if you're using free bets or bonuses, the low hold tool helps you get maximum value with minimal risk. With a built-in bet tracker and real-time alerts, OddsJam helps you stay disciplined and stick to your long-term plan. If you want to see how it works, grab the 7-day free trial using the link in my description and start betting smarter, not harder.